We've seen how well our best performing model is doing. And you know what? Why don't we do it on 3 more random images from the test set while we're here? It's time to finish off the experiment tracking section. We've got pizza, pizza, sushi. Oh, so it was wrong on that one. Our model still has a little bit of improvement. I'll leave further improvement for you to experiment with. But let's go 9.1, predict on a custom image with the best model. Now, I encourage you to give this a go on your own custom images, but we're going to use the ever faithful Pizza Dad image, which is a photo of my dad eating pizza, to test out our model. It's kind of been the way we've tested out our models throughout the entire course. So we'll keep things consistent. What I'm going to do is just import this code that we wrote in the last section. So this is PyTorch Transfer Learning. All it's going to do is download this image to the Colab repo or to the Colab file system, and then we can predict on it. So we've already talked through what happens here. So I'm not going to spend too much time reiterating what's going there. Import request, we set up a custom image path. If the image doesn't exist, we download it using the request library. We write the content to a file, which is this path name here. And that if it does already exist, we don't download it. So let's download it there. Oh, data path is not defined. Would you look at that? The one time I say we don't need to go through the code, we actually do. So from pathlib, we're going to set up a path here manually. From pathlib, import path. So we will create a path here. Path is going to be data/pizzadad.jpg. So that's where we're going to save that image. And I think this should work. And we can run the exact same code here. So let's go predict on our own custom image, which is Pizza Dad, pred and plot. How do you think it's going to go? Our best model yet, on paper, that is. Well, qualitatively as well now. Image path is going to be the custom image path, and then class names equals class names. Let's see. Do we get 2 thumbs up? Yes, we do. Look at that. Predicted pizza with a probability of 0.982. Wow, that seems to be our most confident model yet. Look at this. Back in our PyTorch Transfer Learning, in the last section, we had EfficientNet B0 on 10% of the data trained for 5 epochs, had a prediction probability of almost half of what our model has got here. Now, that doesn't mean it's more correct. It just means our model is more confident in its prediction. So take that how you will, but to me, that looks like our model is going, well, I definitely think this is a pizza image. And to me, that's sort of hinting that its patterns that it's learned are better than our previous models. So try to upload your own custom image here. You could upload it and just try it out to see how the best model goes on pizza, steak, or sushi. But let's now finish our first milestone project, or in fact, we've written all the code. So you should be very proud of yourself for how far we've come. We downloaded some data, we viewed our single models experiments with TensorBoard, and then we set up a series of experiments. We ran 8 different models in 5 minutes. Now it's time to cover some main takeaways, and I've got some extra curriculum and exercises for you to practice what you've learned. I'll see you in the next video.